This is one of our Indian desi flowering plant, Barleria cristata. It's called Janti in all our Indian languages. And it's one of those old-fashioned flowering plants. I've seen it in my grandmother's house about half a century back. And all these really rural households in Karnataka, they have these flowers. It's very hardy also. It can tolerate wide variety of habitat, and it can grow up to 10 feet. The spider was hiding inside that. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗಿಡದೊಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಹಾಂ, ಹೇಳಿಬಿಡಿ ಕಂಡ್ರೆ ಫೋಟೋ ಹೊಡೆದು. Then it can also spread from cuttings and seeds, so easy to propagate, colorful, native. Then it supports some of our local biodiversity. Most important, this color is very refreshing and nice, and it comes in a bunch of other colors. And this Barleria, there are 31 or 32 varieties it seems in India. Barleria species, and this Barleria cristata is one of the more popular ones. ಓ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮನೆಯವರಲ್ಲ ನೀವು? ಈ ಮನೆಯವರಲ್ವಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಯಜಮಾನರು ಕಾಣ್ತಾರೆ, ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. But nowadays in the modern gardens, I never find this in apartment gardens and these landscape places. They prefer all these most idiotic species from far off countries which have absolutely no relevance to our Indian situation and our fauna, that is our insects and birds and all. And this one needs to be revived. This cristata from the villages, it should get back to the cities, and all these posh places also, they can start planting. What's wrong with this? It's a beautiful plant. So that is and see what a glorious sight is. It doesn't need your watering, manuring and all. It's quite capable of surviving by itself. And then apart from that, it tolerates wide variety of soil, some sandy too, a bit clayey and all. It likes a moist places, and it can tolerate some 3-4 hours of shade also every day. So this is the beautiful Barleria. It's also herb. It's used, this leaves and all, leaf paste is used for healing wounds, cuts and wounds. It has some chemicals in it which help to heal wounds, and therefore those chemicals are being used in the cosmetic industry for creams and all. Then in the villages and rural places, they used to use this for applying directly onto the wounds. It's also antiseptic, and then it can be internally consumed also. It's non-toxic as for digestive and all, diuretic, digestive, and it's also antidote for poison. So being a diuretic, it will help to flush out toxins from our system. So all in all, it's a great plant. I highly recommend it.